This 2024 Keystone Springdale 1860 SS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 22 feet 10 inches in length and features a midnight interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, spare tire kit, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, self-contained, microwave, stovetop burner, skylight, LP detector, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Springdale 1860 SS is 4,070 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.